Hey everyone, my name is Eli and today we're going to be doing an oil change on this 2007 Ford Mustang GT. This one has the V8 engine inside of it. I'm going to try and do this as quick, concise, and as thorough as possible. So with that, let's jump right in. Next thing we're going to want to do is to pull this oil cap off. That way we can make sure it's breathing and helps to get all the oil out of there.
Right, one bolt drain plug is on the very rear end of the oil pan here. So now I just gotta let this drain. Once it gets to about this level where it's just barely dripping, I'm gonna go ahead and put this plug back in. Now, the torque value on this is not that much. It's only 19 foot-pounds. So I'm gonna just go ahead and finish this. Next up, we're gonna go after the oil filter. So we've drained all the oil from the actual drain pan, which is back right over there. And then now we have this. So I like to use these wrenches like this. This one's nice because it has a little swivel point here. It's starting to come. There we go. Oh, there we go. Next up, you want to get a bit of clean oil on your finger, and you're just going to rub it around the seal of your new oil filter, just to help that to seat. And then I'm going to install it right here. Threads on. This just screws right on. And then I'll use that wrench and just give it a nice snug, but there we go. Don't want it too tight, but just give it a nice, make sure it's gonna seal.
Next up, we just have to add this oil. So this takes 6 quarts of this 5-weight 20 oil. Got my funnel all set up. I'll just pour it in there, and then that about wraps it up.